last few days, you've already been given a flavor of the thrilling world of Mirzapur, a series that promises to offer an exciting, gripping crime drama and an edge-of-your-seat experience. Today, we're here to present to you the entire cast and crew of Mirzapur and the force behind this super captivating Prime Original series. Mirzapur reunites the dynamic team that brought to us Amazon Prime Video's first ever Prime Original series in India, Inside Edge, that has very recently been nominated for the Best Drama Series at the 2018 International Emmy Awards. Can we please have a huge round of applause? Naturally, we're all waiting for their next mega entertainer. The action-packed trailer of this much-awaited series launched a few days ago, and till date, it's the most watched trailer with over 40 million views overall. It's evident that the nation is waiting with bated breath for 16th November. And we're exactly 2 days away from Mirzapur releasing globally across 200 countries and territories only on Amazon Prime Video. On this note, I would now like to welcome on stage Tim Leslie, Vice President, Amazon Prime Video International, the one at the helm of Prime Video's growth and global expansion. Can we please give him a huge round of applause?
For Amazon Prime Video's next original launch, Mirzapur. Amazon, as a company, is investing heavily in building the best retail and video experience in India. And Prime is at the heart of that. In fact, in India, Prime has seen some of the highest engagement in the world. And driving that, largely, is Prime Video. And the reason Prime Video is driving that is amazing selection at an unbeatable value. And that starts with our groundbreaking and world-class originals. As mentioned, it started with the International Emmy-nominated Inside Edge, then Breathe, Remix, Comicstaan, and now Mirzapur. It's not just that, though. We also have the largest selection of new release Bollywood and Indian regional movies. And of course, we have great international content, the foundation of which is our award-winning and popular Prime Originals, like Tom Clancy's Jack Ryan, Homecoming starring Julia Roberts, and coming soon, the next seasons of 8-time Emmy-nominated The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel and global hit, one of my favorites, The Grand Tour.
It's really day one for us. We're a fledgling service, and we're very happy to be telling these amazing stories, and I want to get straight to it. It's been an honor, a privilege, and I promise you, an absolutely wonderful journey working with Ritesh and everyone at Excel to bring this story to our customers, not just in India, but to the whole world. I personally believe Mirzapur is going to find its place in the global stage as one of the most authentic stories to come out of in recent times. And I can't wait to share it with you. I can't wait to have the cast and the creators in front of you. So I'm going to let Shruti bring them on as quickly as we can.
I think this is, आप लोगों ने trailer देखा है? Have you all seen everything? Okay. So this is our second show with Amazon, among the few more which are going to be coming. And it's been an amazing relationship working with them, because mostly when I go anywhere, people say, यार आपकी शादी हो गई Amazon के साथ, आप और किसी का तो show बनाते नहीं हो. So I think it says it in that one sentence that we value their relationship. And I think the sensibilities of the kind of content we are creating. Mirzapur it's a beautiful show which we were just talking backstage. Among most of the shows we are making, I think this is one of those shows when you watch it, you'll realize that the characters in it grow onto you to a level that each character's journey is incomplete and you really want more from them. So I think you all should download it and watch it very soon. Yeah. But thank you.
We'll begin with the creators first.
Okay, so me and Karan are the creators of the show. Gurmeet is the director, and myself, Vineet, and Karan are the writers of the show. Um, any specific questions to start with? Otherwise, I will say whatever.
No, it's just, we'll just give an intro to the show. And
So the show is obviously, as you would know by now, it's based in the hinterlands of Eastern UP. It's a crime-based drama, but a lot of drama. Violence, of course, is a part of the show, but a lot of drama to watch, a lot of characters to watch for. We have worked really hard on this for 2.5 years. So I hope you get to see it in a binge watch way the day it gets out. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I think Mirzapur for us has been a very sort of liberating experience writing and putting it together because we really tried to create this mad, amped up world with inhabited by very real characters and very real relationships and emotions that you will experience. However, it is in this set in a world that I don't think a lot of Indian audiences are sort of familiar with and haven't really gotten a chance to experience, and it's only because of a platform like Amazon that we have been able to put this together. And the one thing I do hope that people will sort of say at the end of it, or at least while watching it at some point or the other, is, wow, I haven't seen that before.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think, I've had the privilege of, being on set and being able to direct such wonderful script and such wonderful cast. I think that's something that has really spoiled, all of us going forward. It was an amazing experience just being able to reach set and, work with the scene, work with such great talent on set and being able to figure out what the magic is going to be that day. And I think that's something that will stay with us for a really, really long time. And we're really proud of, how the show has turned out. And we really hope it reaches the world, and no better platform than Amazon for that. And, we're really grateful, and we're very hopeful that people will like it. Thank you.
Excited about the release?
Most definitely. Uh, I think that what we're seeing with entertainment generally is that when you create compelling stories with unique characters that are authentic, gripping narratives that are well directed, well written, well acted, we have a lot of that with the show, they travel globally. It has become a global entertainment market. And Mirzapur is such a show. And we've actually seen that before with Breathe. 40% of the customers who enjoyed Breathe were outside of India. So this is a story that we're launching in more than 200 countries and territories in the world. It's incredibly compelling. It is a truly Indian hinterland story, and it's a compelling story that is action-packed, exciting, and customers around the globe are going to love it. I'm confident.
Okay, thank you. My next question is to Vijay. Vijay, what stood out in Mirzapur for you to greenlight the show as a Prime original series release?
I have, I think, about 97 reasons. So I'm just going to stick to the top 3 outside of the fact that it is an amazingly authentic Heartland story. One, Excel, the team, and the vision and the passion with which they approached it. 2, just the writing, absolutely fantastic. I mean, I think it is a world beater show. And 3, the ensemble cast. You know, it's really hard, and I say this because a lot of our stories are set with a single dimension of a protagonist normally, and in the Indian context, and here was a powerhouse ensemble that came together, and so I don't think we spent too much time debating should we do this. The question was how many episodes and how long.
Okay.
And Ritesh hasn't delivered on time.
So next question, of course, is to Ritesh. Ritesh, what's so liberating in your opinion about video streaming service, and what are the top 2 or 3 things that you have to keep in mind when you're looking at making engaging content for online audiences?
I think liberating in terms of the beauty of doing stuff online is that I think there is a sense of responsibility which you have to self-impose, because you know you have all the freedom, but then it also makes you feel more responsible that you can't misuse it. So I think you tell stories in its most authentic way. You stay true to it. There's nobody telling you that, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that. So I think the beauty of that is writers, when Puneet was writing this, I think he, especially coming from him, having the freedom of just writing whatever came to his mind and staying true to each character. And that's what has happened with this. I was just telling all these guys, and it's one of the few shows, and I say it openly. I know we are doing lots of other shows, and some of my other creators or directors will always hold me to this, but I just said personally, I've been watching this show so often with all through various stages of making that each character grows on to a level that you want to watch more. So what happens with them? And I've been actually calling Puneet every few days. I said, listen, in season 2, what are you writing with this guy? So I've never been so involved trying to know. So that's what it is, So I think it's just like this thing, it's compelling, and the way the story is and it pans out, that you'll want to see more of each of them,
So like you just said, there's already a season 2 in the making.
Oh, yeah, I did. Sorry, Vijay.
Okay, my next question is to Puneet, specifically on writing. The dialogues in the trailer.
Violence and everything, this guy is responsible.
Yeah, but then if you have seen the show Mindhunter, all the serial killers look nice, so maybe.
Okay, my next question is to Karan. This almost seems like a success formula. You, Gurmeet, Ritesh coming together post the success of Inside Edge. What's the difference in the work experience on Mirzapur as compared to Inside Edge?
The reason we jumped into Mirzapur right after Inside Edge, first of all, Gurmeet and I go back a really long way. It's been like, 18 years or something since we have been collaborating on and off. And the Inside Edge, what kind of world it was. It was all glitzy, glamour, Bollywood, and we wanted to do something that was, diametrically opposite to that. And to create a world that was very different and, sort of get our hands dirty because we were shooting. I don't think I broke a sweat during Inside Edge, or because it was only shooting in like hotel rooms and fancy big grounds and things. So Mirzapur we really sort of made up when we were in Mirzapur, traveling for like 5 hours just in a day, then shooting for 12 hours, all that kind of thing. So it was, and that for me was the fun part of going from there to Mirzapur to do this.
Oh, what about you, Gurmeet?
I think it was great because the kind of energy that Mirzapur had, I guess already on paper and when everyone came together, and because a show format is very unlike a film where you only can explore one aspect of a kind of narrative. In a show, the great part is in the same day you could be directing a very dramatic scene, you could be directing something that's got a lot of humor in it, you could be directing something that's got some song and dance, it could be a sex scene, and you're doing that all in a day, and that never happens on a film. So I personally feel that a show is meant for specialists. If you're an actor, but if you're not good at it, you will be found out. So an actor needs to be an authentic actor. A writer needs to know what he's writing because that's what's going to show. And similarly for a director, you need to know your craft because you're going to be tested to the limit. And I think that's the great part about it. And the energy with everyone that's come together, as you can see, was just so good that it's translated onto the show.
Wow, very exciting. We're all really looking forward to seeing the show.
In fact, what you asked him before, which is actually true in anything in which we are a part of, whether it's films, it's shows. If these guys, if Puneet, his brother who's co-written it with him, Karan, the creator, Guru, Aparna who works in Amazon behind the scene, I don't know where she is today.
She's there, right in front.
Oh, she's right here. All these people actually who write, I think are fortunate because if they didn't do what they do, none of us would have a job here.
Absolutely.
Because we all come and step in after they've written it. So if a writer is not there, none of us have a job, which is what, this is the fact.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ritesh.
One quick question again to Karan and Guru. You both directed films and of course, briefly, I know you just explained what all can happen, but if you were to explain it in one word, what changes the moment you go from film onto a series?
I think it'll be good to use an Inside Edge analogy. So if films are one-day cricket, I think this is like a test match, and so your skills are tested to the limit, and the conditions are always tougher. So you get to use your technique, use your class. I guess in that respect, it's a lot more fulfilling in that sense. But maybe the glamour is in one-day cricket.
But except that you have to do all of that in one day. So you basically play a test match in that limited resources and time that you have.
Okay, moving on to the cast. My first question is for Pankaj Tripathi. Sir, I'm a big fan of your work.
Thank you.
So you've mostly been associated with comic roles, and Kaleen Bhaiya is a complete transformation from your comic avatar. So how difficult was it to not be funny on screen?
बहुत मुश्किल था. इनफैक्ट मैं तो टेक करते हुए मुझे आके धीरे से गुरु और करण कान में बोलते थे कि सर कालीन भैया. तो मैं बोलता था हाँ कौन कालीन भैया? बोला आप. बोले अच्छा ओहो ठीक है एक और करते हैं. क्योंकि क्या ना कॉमेडी में बड़ा मज़ा आता है और एक्टर बड़ा आसानी से स्लिप हो जाता है. तो मैं हर जगह ह्यूमर ढूंढने लगूं तो ये क्रेडिट उन दोनों का है. बार बार आके सर कालीन भैया उनको लाइए, कालीन भैया को लाइए. मैं बोला अच्छा ठीक है. तो आप दोनों ने ये लाए हैं कालीन भैया को, इन्हीं का योगदान है, वरना मैं तो कॉमेडी ही कर लेता.
Thank you. Next question is to Arif Azhar. So we heard that you put in an additional effort to become Guddu and even to look the part. What were the obstacles and how did you overcome them?
I made an effort today as well. It's trying to look good. It was quite hard. I didn't think I would ever be. I wouldn't cast me for this part, at least from the stuff that I've done before. मुश्किल बहुत मुश्किल था. मतलब like they said, we were trying to squeeze in as much work in one day, and then so shooting those many hours and then training for 3 hours. I was literally I was on. This is not recommended. You should sleep more, ideally. But more than that, not just the body transformations. I think the bigger part was to get into the skin of that world. क्योंकि मिर्ज़ापुर जो हमने बनाया, it's this fictional world that we've created, but it connects with everything that we've seen, and it connects with the global audience. तो my idea was not कि यार वो मैं अगले शहर में किसी को समझ में आ जाए, उसके आगे समझाना है, सबटाइटल आएगा पता था, तो yeah, and lot more. We'll have a longer chat.
Vikrant, what inspired you to say yes to playing Bablu?
Ali and the cast. Besides that, it was the writing primarily. क्योंकि जब पहले एपिसोड्स पढ़े, जब एपिसोड्स पढ़े तो मतलब everything just came out of the script, and I had not read something like this in a long time. And as in when when I got to be a part of this thing, फिर जब पता चला कि कौन-कौन लोग इस प्रोजेक्ट से जुड़े हैं, it was an opportunity I would it was stupid man would miss.
Yeah, well, this is quite a coup, I have to say. Divyendu, you were talking about cute faces being serial killers and saying really harsh words. You happen to be a cute face as well. You should say thank you when a girl is paying you a compliment, but okay.
Sorry. Bad manners.
It must have been quite a bold step for you to take on such a dark character. So what motivated you to play Munna's role?
I think again the credit has to go to the writing. I mean, Munna is he's such a mad hatter, this guy. He is just the kind of emotions he's going through, the chemical reactions happen in his body because due to the chemicals also he does
yes.
as a character. But how he thinks and how he reacts, and it's so fascinating to discover a character like that, because who's so crazy, but at the same time, because of the good writing, you have those motivations for him as a character. He's not just going out there and just doing anything mindlessly. So the motivations were there, and I always say, Munna is a very troubled soul. He has everything. He's got a powerful father and a dada. They own the town, but there's a deep down vacuum inside, and he just wants to prove himself. He just tries too hard at times. So you feel sorry for him, but yeah.
Okay, moving on to Rasika. Beena's role in the trailer looks quite layered and complex. How challenging was the character for you? I don't think there are any challenges for Rasika Duggal, given the kind of actor she is. So how effortless was it for you, Rasika?
I think it was very interesting because she is very mysterious, and I think it was very new to finally play a character. And I don't think roles like that are written for women where your sexuality is acknowledged at least. And Beena, I think, takes it to another level. But so you never know what's happening with her. I don't think she knows what's happening with her. She can be on this side or that side according to the day and the moment. And that was very interesting for me to play.
Shweta, any specific experience that you would like to share with everyone on being one of the women of Mirzapur?
I think the women of Mirzapur figured out that gun is not the only way to show power.
Okay.
And I think that's where the fun is. कि गन तो ठीक है लड़कों के पास हो सकती है या आप खरीद सकते हो, but it's a mind games, that survival of the fittest, that you figure out ways how to get things done, and all the women across, like even the mothers or even the other female characters, they all are very strong. So it feels nice that when you're part of a script where it's not only your character you're in love with, but you really want to know what happens to all these characters or what happens in the next episode. So even when we got screeners and when we were watching, I was glued and I felt so proud. And Mirzapur is my favorite series so far, not because I'm a part of it, but I really think it's pretty awesome. So, yeah.
Okay. Shreya, we heard that you learnt a few new things during the shoot of Mirzapur. So can you share those instances with the audience?
I'll be forever grateful to Mirzapur because yes, I did learn quite a few things. I've always been scared of two-wheelers. And when the director and the writers, when they told me that एक scene है मिर्ज़ापुर में जहाँ मुझे bullet चलानी है और मैं आगे और गुड्डू पीछे, I said मैं गुड्डू को लेके कैसे चलाऊँ bullet? I can barely manage myself, on a cycle. But I think every actor wants to take up a challenge, wants to overcome a fear. And I said, I'm going to do it. And very, very sincerely for a month. I have practiced every day from a cycle to like a Vespa to a bullet, and I enjoyed that scene so much. I don't know how much
I
Ali
should
enjoyed
answer
it.
that question.
Come on, I wasn't bad. But for me, that was really exciting that I, was able to enjoy it and be present, and hopefully it's turned out well. And also, I would never want to use one, but small things like loading a gun and just understanding that mechanism. So yeah, and I'm really happy to be here with the whole cast because ये पहली बार शायद हुआ है कि हम सब इकट्ठे बैठे हैं. So thank you for making it happen.
Amit, tell us your experience shooting with the Power Pack team once again after Inside Edge.
यार आई थिंक आप किसी टीम के साथ काम करते हो और वो आपको जब रिपीट करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ऐसा लगता है कि आपने पहले वाले में कोई अच्छा किया है. बट एक फनी स्टोरी है. आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग आई ऑडिशन फॉर मुन्ना. या और ऑब्वियसली मैं क्यूट नहीं हूँ यार. सेफ वर्ड. तो मुन्ना मिला नहीं. फिर आई थिंक करण ने मुझे किसी इनसाइड एज की दारू पार्टी में बोला कि एक कैमियो है, करेगा क्या? मैंने कहा हाँ, तू जो बोलेगा मैं करूँगा.
अच्छा हुआ आप दारू पी रहे थे उस समय.
तो बहुत मज़ा आया. आई थिंक आने वाले सीज़न में भी बहुत मज़ा आएगा, हम सभी को आएगा. और मोस्टली मैं सबको जानता हूँ, मतलब अगर पर्सनली नहीं जानता हूँ तो बहुत काम देखा हुआ है. देर ऑल ब्रिलियंट. तो और एज अ फैमिली जैसा एटमॉस्फेयर हो गया है अभी एक्सेल के साथ, क्योंकि महीनों काम करना पड़ता है साथ में. तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Okay, Harshita, this is the last question to you. You've had a fair amount of experience, working on television series. How different is it shooting for a digital streaming series?
Well, TV gets monotonous at times because it runs for very long, for a long period of time. But I think a digital series gives you a room for performance. Like, it just has that vibe to it. And plus, when I met these people, I was like, I have to be a part of it. So this was my first web thing I ever did, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. I think, it gives you a room for performance. I think creativity for everybody, like writer, actor, or anybody, which gets restricted in TV at some point. So that's what digital does to you.
Okay, so we open the floor for questions from the media now. Can we...
Yeah, hi, this is Sohail.
Yes.
Congratulations to the entire team of Mirzapur. My question is to Ritesh. The trailer is awesome actually, or the promotion you can say is excellent actually. जो बड़ी-बड़ी फिल्में होती है तो मिर्ज़ापुर की कुछ डिटेलिंग्स आप बताओगे कि ये किस तरह की मतलब ये सीरीज है, कितने एपिसोड में रहेगी, किस तरह से रिलीज करेंगे, और one thing about the censorship actually, कि what kind of guidelines are there for the censorship actually,
I think आपने काफी सवाल एक ही सवाल में पूछ लिए, तो मुझे I have to remember and say now the ये जो जितने hoardings लगे और जो marketing I can't take.
It was an appreciation actually.
No, thank you. But I would like to take credit for that. The credit for that goes to the team at Amazon. There's Tim Gaurav and the entire team which plans this. I think हमारा काम है एक compelling जैसे एक story होती है to make every story. Marketing हम हर तरीके से करते हैं. Now the best thing we can do is how can you create an urgency for some content which is good. I think which is what the team at Amazon have mastered, that whatever happens they know that जो ये show है ये theaters में नहीं लगने वाला है. It is going to be an individual viewing from your homes. It's the kind of the format is अलग के way they are wanting you to get into the show, and the kind of viewing जैसे होती है जो online platform पे, it is more binge watching. So it's not that एक episode आपने आज देखा और फिर 2 हफ्ते के बाद एक आएगा या अगले fortnight के बाद. However, I think so they have to make sure, I think so they know best about why are they doing this kind of marketing, because I think they're trying to draw the maximum urgency or draw attention, and once you get into the first episode their target is going to be that you don't leave off till you finish the 9th. So answering your next question, इसमें 9 episodes हैं. जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा कि the kind of characters you see in it, जो format है इसकी writing की, it's not that you can finish it in 100 minutes or 90 minutes or 120. All the characters grow on to you. You want to see more of them, and that's how the writers' room runs. यहाँ पे काफ़ी टाइम समय जाता है एक्चुअली राइटिंग में ही ऑलमोस्ट 9 to 12 months जाते हैं फ्रॉम द टाइम द स्टोरी बाइबल इज रिटन बाइबल के बाद इट टेक्स ऑलमोस्ट 9 to 12 months टू फ्लैश आउट द स्क्रीन प्ले एंड देन यू गेट इनटू सो आई थिंक द होल प्रोसेस इज डिफरेंट गाइडलाइन सेंसरशिप तो मैंने वो पहले भी कहा कि you have to be responsible. There is no guideline. ऐसे नहीं कि Vijay or anybody from Amazon tells us कि आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. The creative is left completely to us. But you have to, whatever you do, it has to be organic, it has to be true. It should not be forced. The minute it is forced, it will stand out, and then it won't be true, and you won't identify with it. So like when you've seen in Inside Edge, उसकी जो authenticity, if you see the drugs, you see the power play which goes on in it, in terms of all the betting and the characters. So it's very different. मिर्ज़ापुर में एक अलग है, एक authenticity. It's set in the heartland of the country. वहाँ पे guns का mafia. It's a story about, I would say it in my perspective, it's two brothers who are underdogs and who want to rise to power, and they use another alternate medium. They use the underworld to gain that power. That attracts them. So there are different ways. So I think we have stayed true to what the story is.
Ritesh, one more question is like as a producer.
और question आपको?
नहीं बस ठीक है. One last from my side. Mike शायद आएगा नहीं. As a producer, you've made so many films. How do you see the entire market of web series, like in this coming years, actually?
I think it's going to grow. It's definitely the next step for content. And like I said, it's not that cinema will ever go away. I don't want it to. But I really feel that this medium offers you to tell stories which cannot be told in a format which is existing in theaters. And it's not that you won't see, we are doing shows which will be large screen, but the kind of narrative it is, the kind of story it is, the way the characters are written, you cannot finish them. Those characters go on, they can't be dead and over in that 90-minute format. So I think it's exciting times because as writers, as creators, as directors, you're going to be able to do both. Like here you've seen Guru, Karan, including Puneet and Vineet, they're writing for films and they're writing for this format, for the online digital format. And likewise as directors, you're telling stories in both platforms. So I think it's good times for every creator right now.
Ritesh, here, Amit from Dainik Bhaskar. Yeah, newspaper. एक तो मतलब न्यूज़ आई थी कि मतलब सरकार जो है वो वेब सीरीज वगैरह को भी सेंसर के दायरे में लाने जा रही है, उनकी कोशिश है. तो ये कोशिश को मतलब क्या वेब सीरीज भी सेंसर के दायरे में आनी चाहिए?
I am not for censorship. We are in fact fighting for censorship to go away from even movies. It is not existing in TV till today. So I think first they'll need to take towards what they're going to do with TV. They can't just jump on and say on digital. If they're allowing you self-censorship on the TV medium for broadcast, I think the same should apply. And I don't think there's anything in content today which is not available. If they start censoring, then your content won't travel. Today, because of Amazon, our show is going to 200 countries. We as filmmakers, writers, actors are being discovered in various countries. We have an Emmy nomination which has never happened before. So I think because you stay true to content, the minute you start trying to forcefully cut something which is organically true to it, you're going to hamper creativity. So I don't think that should come in, and I don't think they're going to. I've also read it like you, but like I said, many things are just to be read and ignored.
अगला सवाल विजय जी से था कि हम लोगों ने सुना था कि मतलब एक तांडव करके वेब सीरीज है कन्हैया कुमार पे, वो आपने अली अब्बास जफर साहब को शायद दिया था कि वो मतलब बनेगी या बनने वाली है. उस पर कुछ क्या स्टेटस है बता सकें?
तो we have a lot of shows in development. I can't comment on any one show that is in development because the process of development, as Ritesh explained, is a pretty long one. And so, yes, what I can confirm is we are working with Ali, but what the show is and what it's all about is not stuff that we're ready to announce just yet.
अगला सवाल टिम से था, टिम ब्लिसले से. कि मतलब नेटफ्लिक्स जो है वो मंथली
hands down.
You should put subtitles in your question.
So Amazon Prime is all about providing the best value in retail and video experience. And as I said, we're seeing some of the highest engagement rates in Prime in India than anywhere in the world, and Prime Video is driving that. So it's at 129 rupees a month. It's an unbeatable value with the selection we're providing. Even a show like Mirzapur, for that, customers are going to sign up for that show. And all you have to do is start a free trial, and it's just 129 rupees a month. So that's what we focus on, delivering great value to our customers. And we're going to continue doing that, providing the selection that we're providing. And really importantly today, it's here about talking about having this platform that we have for content creators, actors, directors, to create groundbreaking, world-class entertainment. This really is, I can tell you, lots of great stuff is happening in entertainment in the world. I just came from Mexico, where we launched a great original, Un Extraño en Amigo. It's very exciting all around the world, and there's no place more exciting than India. You know, the history in film here, and to take those cinematic productions and put them in TV, and as Ritesh said, to then develop the characters the way this show does and other shows that we're making do, is very exciting. So we're going to keep doing that, and we can do that and provide it at an unbeatable value like we are.
Tim, adding to his question, he was asking about the low subscription here. Hello, this side. So you just now you said that you are adding about 200 countries, right? If I heard you say so. So needless to say, you will be carrying booty full of bags now?
What was the last part?
You'll be making lots of money, she's saying.
Oh, I see. I see.
And
I see.
what will their subscription be?
So we launched in December of 2016. We launched our service in India. In fact, I was here in Mumbai to announce the launch of the service in India and in more than 200 countries and territories in the world.
Their subscription is going to be how much?
The subscription...
Rate of the subscription.
The subscription in India is 129 rupees a month. Outside of India, we offer Prime where it's not bundled, Prime Video where it's not bundled with Prime for $5.99 US dollars per month. So this is a great platform, as we said, to make these shows like Mirzapur available to customers around the world. And great shows like this, in line with the question I first answered, will travel globally. Customers around the world are going to love Mirzapur.
कालिन भैया तो हर करेक्टर का बा
कालिने भैया
थोड़ा
के बा
नहीं थोड़ा डिटेल में बोलो
कुछ नहीं, बहुत ही मासूम सा आदमी है जो
गन वन चलात नहीं बा का गन वन चलात नहीं बा
जिस कारपेट पे आप बैठी हैं वहीं बनाते हैं
मिर्जापुर is known for कालीन carpets के लिए मिर्जापुर is known for carpets
हाँ, मिर्जापुर भदोही वो पूरा बेल्ट ही है, वहाँ पे कारपेट बनते हैं, तो ये भी कारपेट बनाते हैं और उसके साथ साथ कुछ और भी बनाते हैं। तो मासूम आदमी है, घर का सबसे परेशान व्यक्ति है, बेटे से परेशान है, पत्नी से परेशान है, बाहर एक बहुत ऑरा, ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा कई बार आदमी का ऑरा क्रिएट हो जाता है, तो उसको मुश्किल हो जाता है अपने ही ऑरा कैरी करना कि अब मैं करूँ तो क्या करूँ, तो वैसे आदमी है।
My question is to Mr. Vijay Subramaniam. Sir, towards your back. Vijay Subramaniam. Sir, right side, back.
There at the back, all the way.
Yeah, for you.
It's pretty straightforward, really. I mean, everything we do at Amazon is customer backwards. Our goal is to really look and understand the current taste and preferences of our customers, and they're pretty diverse, and they're pretty vocal as well, and try and serve them and at the same time keep evolving as their tastes and preferences evolve. And it's so really important to serve them across a variety of content as well as variety of formats. So if you look at the entire selection on the service today, it pretty much follows the same philosophy of making sure that this is something that our customers want to watch. When it comes to cinematic TV, this was a message that we got loud and clear from all our customers, that there was a dearth of compelling, high-quality cinematic TV in this country. Customers were ready for it, but they had no place to access it. Everyday television was giving them staple fare of soaps and dramas, and theatrical experiences were 2.5 hours at best, and both came with their own challenges. And while we believe India has great cinematic vision, and which is why we have a wonderful selection of movies on the service in Hindi and other regional languages, when it came to cinematic TV, we doubled down and said we will work to create originals in this space. And so that's where the commitment to make originals came from. We're just very lucky and blessed that we have amazing partners like Excel, who very early on leaned into the opportunity and said, we want to do this with you. And so that's how both Inside Edge and Mirzapur were born.
Thank you. Hi Ritesh, over here. Is there going to be a second season of Mirzapur?
Yes. Oh. I was supposed to say that, but it came out. So.
Hi. I have a question for Tim. This is Kalpana from AdGully. Tim, where do you see the next spurt of growth coming for Amazon Prime Video?
Whole country, which is why we're investing in more languages. So we've added lots more content in 6 regional languages, as I mentioned. We've added the Hindi user interface. We're adding Tamil and Telugu soon. So we're going to continue to invest where the next 100 million customers coming online will come from. But really, when you provide content like we're providing that's diverse across Indian movies, Indian TV with our originals, Hollywood movies and TV shows, it appeals to all kinds of customers, all kinds of demographics. So India is obviously experiencing a boom with the amount of people coming online, the way the digital infrastructure is growing so rapidly, the demographics in terms of the number of young people. And young people don't ask what's on TV. Young people say, what do I want to watch? And a lot of them are going to say, I want to watch Mirzapur. I want to watch it on this device or that device. You can watch anytime, anywhere. So really, with streaming, the power is that you can watch anytime, anywhere, whatever you want to watch. And that's really for everybody, young, medium, or old. So I think the whole country will begin adopting it as the country moves online.
पंकज जी, आपके ठीक सामने।
जी जी।
मिर्ज़ापुर की बात आती है या पूर्वांचल की बात आती है, पूर्वी उत्तर प्रदेश की बात आती है, तो जिस तरह से कालीन भाई है या हम देखते हैं पूर्वी उत्तर प्रदेश में एक हीरोइक इमेज है, मतलब उन लोगों की भी जो माफिया हैं या जिस तरह से छात्र नेता जो होते हैं या इस तरह से मिर्ज़ापुर शूट करते वक्त, चूंकि आप लोग रियल लोकेशन पे शूट कर रहे थे और हम बात कर रहे हैं बहुत सी चीज़ें बदलाव की, भाषणों में, बाकी जगहों पे, क्या आपको लगा कि इस इमेज में कुछ बदलाव आया है या अभी भी वहाँ का जो वहाँ के लोग हैं या वहाँ का युवा है वो ऐसे लोगों को ही हीरो चुन रहा है, बालू गिट्टी माफिया या कालीन भैया जैसे लोगों को ही?
नहीं, आई थिंक बहुत हद तक बदलाव नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन अब अभी का जो यूथ है ना, नौजवान है, उनके लिए इंस्पिरेशन अब बहुत से लोग बन रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है। बट कलयुग है, कलयुग में विद्वान को कम जानते हैं, माफिया को ज़्यादा जानेंगे। तो
आई थिंक एक स्टोरी है जो मुन्ना भैया बताएंगे, अगर आपको याद होगा जब हम कॉलेज में शूट कर रहे थे वहाँ पे, तो इनका एक स्पीच था, दिवेंदु इफ यू रिमेंबर, और एक लड़के थे जो 2-3 दिन बाद जो एक्चुअल कॉलेज के छात्र थे वो आए थे दिवेंदु के पास और उन्होंने बोला था कि मुन्ना भैया मैं आपको वोट जरूर दूंगा, आप ही मेरे प्रेसिडेंट हो।
और वो कविता लिख के लाया था और मुन्ना भैया की बड़ाई में और गाथाओं में वो गा रहा था और मैं मतलब समझ नहीं पा रहा था ये क्या हो रहा है। वो सच में उनको लग रहा था कि ये रियल इंसान है, अब इसी कॉलेज में रहेगा, ऐसे ही जीप चलाते हुए रोज आएगा। बट इट्स अमेजिंग द पावर ऑफ यू नो व्हाट वी डू।
ये हो सकता है कि वो लड़का कुछ दिनों बाद यूपी के किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में हो।
अली, अली आपसे सवाल मेरा है, आपके ठीक सामने प्रशांत, आप उस ज़मीन से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं जहाँ की ये पृष्ठभूमि है, जहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, एक ऑब्जर्वर के तौर पे आपने क्या देखा कि कितनी रियलिटी इस फिक्शन में नज़र आ रही है?
वो रियलिटी का ही खेल है पूरा, वरना नहीं चलेगा आजकल। यू कांट जस्ट सेल एनीथिंग। सो मैं थोड़ा सा साइड से आया हूँ, लखनऊ में बड़ा हुआ हूँ, देहरादून में पढ़ाई की, ये बेल्ट अलग है। सो वहाँ तो हर 10 गज पे बेल्ट बदलती है, मतलब डायलेक्ट बदलता है, जिस तरह आप गाली भी बकेंगे वो भी बदल जाता है। तो वो चीज़ें बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें थी जिसके लिए मैं लिटरली मतलब मैं पुनीत और गुरु करण इन लोग के पास हर वक्त वी यूज्ड टू कीप गोइंग टू देम एंड आस्किंग कि ये करेक्ट है कि नहीं, नुक्ता करेक्ट है कि नहीं, क्योंकि चल जाता है, नहीं चलता आजकल। तो दैट वाज समथिंग वी रियली ट्राइड टू मेक श्योर। आप देख के बताइएगा कितना जेन्युइन है।
जी पंकज जी, मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि
इस तरीके की जब फिल्में करते हैं तो आपका वो इमेज मतलब बन जाता है, तो कहीं कुछ ऐसा वाकया हुआ जहाँ पे आपसे लोग डरने लगे?
हाँ, पहले गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर के बाद ऐसे कई लोग डरते थे। मुझे याद है, एक आए थे कहानी सुनाने, मुझे एक डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर दिल्ली के थे। तो कहानी हम टेबल पे बैठे थे, ऐसे आमने सामने, वो सुनाते हुए थोड़े प्रोड्यूसर असहज थे। वो बार बार बाएं दाएं देख ले, मुझे देख ले, मेरे कमर की तरफ भी देखें। तो बोला क्या हुआ? बाद में उन्होंने बताया कि मुझे अक्सर लग रहा था कि आप बीच कहानी में पिस्टल निकालोगे। हाँ, फिर क्या होता है। तो कई बार बाहर के लोग, हम सिनेमा के लोग, हमें तो मालूम है कि भाई अभिनेता है ये, बट बाहर लोग एक छवि बना लेते हैं। आजकल तो मुझे आए दिन सोशल मीडिया पे लोग बोलते हैं आप ऐसे ही रहना, जितने हम्बल हो। मुझे डर है कि लोगों को क्यों अंदेशा हो रहा है कि मैं एरोगेंट होने वाला हूँ।
लेकिन परिवार के लोगों को कहीं आने जाने में उनको तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती?
नहीं, बिल्कुल किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती। शुक्रिया आपका।
My question is for Ritesh sir here. Ritesh, Mr. So you have been an immensely successful film producer, and now you are trying to create a niche in digital medium also. So how do you do it? Is there any success mantra you would like to share with us?
Yeah, Vijay Singh to say just work with Amazon. That was his answer for me. But I mean, you know, I think success in the medium we are in, you know, when you're talking about telling stories, the fact that what we do is so unpredictable, and that's its inherent nature. Whether you do a movie, you do a show, you do anything, it's not like any other business or thing where there is a given. You know, you ye dal do, isme ye dal do, ye hit ho jayega, ya success hoega. No, you have to go with your belief. And in that, I think you have to be very, very clear that whatever format you're telling a story in, whether it's in a 2-hour format, it's in a 5-hour format, any format, you need to be true and identify with it. Is there an emotional connect? Do you feel that you're feeling this person's joy, you're feeling his pain? You know, does he move you? Does he choke you? In any emotion which your characters feel, if you can relate and identify with it, then you can convince 1 billion people to be following that. So that's what me and Farhan have always believed. As long as it's a story you want to tell and you identify with it, you relate to it, then you should go out and do it.
So is the process of greenlighting a digital series is different from when you greenlight a film? The process?
See, the first step in both formats is the story. Here, the difference is that you rather involve your partner because there is only one platform where the show is going to come on. So what we do is the minute we have a story idea, we pick up the phone, speak to Vijay, Aparna, call them in, narrate the story to them, take their feedback, because it's better to incorporate that, because like you're saying, the platform which is going to showcase the content. In movies, it's very different. You'll go from a theatrical window, you'll go to TV, you'll go to digital, you'll have video, you'll have lots of places where you can exploit the film on. So that's the only difference. But the process, I think, remains very clear. I think the first step is the story and the content.
Thank you.
Before we move on, just a minute. I'm afraid that'll be the last question because we're getting a little late for lunch.
So my question is to Tim and Vijay. You guys have been promoting and kind of giving a platform for regional films on Amazon Prime, but then my question is, would you also in the next few months or a year come out with original content, considering there are a lot of people wanting to write in regional languages and there are very few platforms, but then because you guys are one of the pioneers, would you really want to promote regional original content in your future investments?
Definitely. I mean, localization is front and center of, you know, being able to provide value to customers here, and that's exactly why we've got 6 regional languages. We just added Kannada on the 1st of November, and we're looking to add a couple of more languages as we go along. I think the first step is always to do with movies because of discoverability, familiarity. People come seeking those movies, and there's no reason why once we deepen our relationship in each of those languages with our customers seeking that kind of content, that we will not consider building out originals in regional languages. We did the first series called Gangstars in Telugu. That was to understand the appetite of customers there. There's one that we have lined up in Tamil. So these are all opportunities for us to also warm customers to the idea of long form series content. And so the answer is definitely yes.
Sorry, another question.
Excuse me, I'm afraid we'll have to.
Sorry, your budget is $129 to watch the show.
Good one.
Well, that brings us to the end of the media Q&A. Thank you so much. Please mark your calendars.